How to get faster mobile data speed when you change a simple setting? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, you can easily update APN settings. To do that, open settings on your Android phone. So this may vary slightly depending on your phone manufacturer. Simply you need to navigate to the option of mobile network or wireless and network or connections option. And here you can tap on your SIM at top right corner of your screen. Here you will see the option of access points name. Select that. Now tap on the add icon or the plus button at top right corner to create a new APN. Now you have to simply enter the following setting. Under name, you need to tap on it and type in 4.4.8.85G. Once you have typed in the name, select APN and type in 4.4.8.8. After that, select the server name, select server option, and here you need to type in www.google.com. Once you have typed in the following settings, you can easily go to APN Protocol, select it, and you can easily say to IPv4 or IPv6. And now tap on this shape or the check mark at top right corner of your screen. Now you need to simply tap the newly created APN to activate it. Your phone will briefly lose connection while it switches to the new network. Restart your phone if necessary to establish the new connection. If you cannot connect after a few minutes, you can go back and reset the APN to the default one provided by your courier. Now you can enjoy faster mobile internet speed. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.